Mnangagwa was asked how he felt when Cap 3 passed. He said he was happy. He expected them to pass it. Let those words settle. The President of the Republic, the custodian of the supreme law, the man who swore an oath to uphold, protect, and defend the Constitution, poured out his heart in profound satisfaction at its mutilation. The entire process of butchering the foundation covenant of this nation had him on the edge of his seat, waiting in anticipation of his success, not reluctantly, not under duress, joyfully. After President Itim Mnangagwa said he was happy and Cap 3 was passed, that was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Mr. Whoever wins has just won the ultimate prize for triggering a lifetime achievement award in the art of betrayal. Yati sought a camp, Mnangagwa sought a republic. This statement may not carry weight for those who have already made a peace with the coup, but let me try as best as I can to elaborate on why his remarks are so significant, not just to the republic, but for its future. Security report after security report warned him to abandon his strengthened agenda. Meeting after meeting with compatriots who brought him to power, the men who placed him on the throne urged caution. Quietly, the region, through backdoor diplomatic channels, sent word to the community would bring. Sadc whispered. Allies who had defended him in foreign capitals pleaded with him to reconsider, but he reigned in ignorance, cloaked himself in the language of constitutionalism, and called himself the voice of the people. Never once did he openly pronounce himself the architect of his own extension. When the generals reviewed that, he had told them, whoever wins. Some dismissed it as sensational. They said the generals were taking his word out of context. They said a man who had served the struggle for decades could not possibly be so cavalier about the destruction of its greatest achievement. Well, where are we today? Straight from the horse's mouth, the man himself has confirmed it. He expected it, and he wanted it. He is happy. Doma developments are kubuda panguva ino. Comment section yetu zafungura email tuliva msebe chitko ichi. Sasa subscribe like, and turn on the bell icon.